time to dominate. With its built-in high prioritization feature, charge into battle with low latency.
Yes!
And get into the race with low jitter.
Yes!
Apply for a game-changer plan now and experience great gaming with FiberX.
New season, new challenge, and new teams as the ACLC Hawks and Pasacao Academy will rock the second game of the opening day of Bucal Men's Volleyball Season 5. You can support your bets by watching the live coverage of Bucal Volleyball at Bucal Facebook page, Oragon Sports TV, and One Media TV 48 Naga, or you can jam with us here today at the NCF Covered Court. I am Aljon, and alongside me is Kelly Francisco, and we'll give you updates in and out the court.
Good afternoon, Bucalandia, and of course to all the people who keeps watching this new season of volleyball. It's Bucal Season 5 Men's and Women's Volleyball. It's February 3, 2024, and we are still live here at Naga College Foundation Covered Court. So good afternoon, Kuya Aljan.
Good afternoon, Kelly. So a while ago, we had the USI Falcons against the Ateneo Knights, and nagwagi nga ang Ateneo, their first win in the season of Bucal.
Yes, Kuya Aljan, and now we are covering these new teams. It's Pasacao Academy versus ACLC.
Well, for the information of all, Pasacao Academy and ACLC Hawks are new teams. So this is their first debut of Bucal Volleyball.
Speaking of new teams, Kuya Aljan, we also have Sibiswa.
Wow.
They are new here in Bucal, new season of volleyball. And let's talk about now the transition, of course, from being as a basketball commentator, and now we are live here at NCF Covered Court as a volleyball commentator naman.
Well, the basketball season was tough and it was a great competition for the both teams. But right now, the season of Bucal, especially the volleyball, mas talagang aabangan natin, and I'm eyeing for this both teams this afternoon.
Yes, Kuya Aljan, and with that, let's wait and let's abangan natin yung mga ipapakitang galing ng mga volleyball players na ito.
So Kel, ikaw naman, what are your expectations naman? But a while ago, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter all the way from the ACLC Hawks. Zai, can you give us an update?
Marhay na ado sa Indo, Kelly, Aljon, and to our viewers here on Bucal Facebook page and One Media TV 48 Naga. We surely feel the heat dito sa loob ng Naga College Foundation Covered Court as we start the new season of Bucal University's Athletic League Volleyball Men's Division. This is your courtside reporter Zai Mignano residing from the bench of the AMA Computer Learning Center. These athletes are not here to joke around since they have been preparing last June 2023. That means they have allotted 8 whole months for preparation. Sinigurado ng Victors of the Skies that they are in their best condition to tackle their heavy journey ahead. Their head coach Jamel Cato advises players to stay focused and win this fight. Are you all ready to witness the Victors of the Sky? Ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's watch them soar and reach for the highest throne only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng Kampiyon. Back to the pan.
Thank you so much, Zai. So this is the new team. for the season of Bucal. The ACLC are ready to soar high. And you know what, Kelly? Aabangan mo talagang dalawang team na to because we didn't know about them yet. Since last season, wala sila. But ngayon, this is their debut. So I'm excited on how they play for this game.
Yes, Kuya Aljan, and actually they have the similarities of this group talaga, are baguhan dito, and most of them are youngsters, you know, as we make get an information from them. But now, let's hear naman on update on the side of Pasacao Academy. Rain, ano ang update dyan?
Thank you, Aljan and Kelly, and good afternoon to all the live Facebook viewers here on the Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga kampeones ng One Media TV 48 Naga. We are now back at the second game of this Bucal Season 5 Volleyball Men's Division. I am Rain Reyes and I will be your courtside reporter on the side of the Pasacao Academy, White Tigers. Ayon nga sa kanilang team captain na si Tres Valles, ay talaga namang pinag-iigihan nila ang kanilang operations for this game. Every day, 3 p.m. to 10 p.m., they would schedule their practice in a multi-purpose covered court back in Pasacao. Even according to Coach Jero, these players are very passionate in playing the sports volleyball, where in fact they are the one who insisted to have a team in their school. Their aim in this league is to have the best experience where they will be able to improve their skills and love for the sports. Sabi nga sa Facebook page nila, this is a new season for a new breed of White Tigers, kaya naman let us recognize their efforts and display their talents in the hard court. Yan muna ang update sa side ng White Tigers. Back to the
Maraming salamat, Rain. Kuya Aljon, it's true that these kids are really dedicated on this league. I actually saw them playing in the multi-purpose hall since taga-Pasacao nga ako. I'm just very lucky that I am now covering their game. And I can see to all of them that they are also definitely dedicated. When it comes to training, they are most disciplined talagang. Aabangan natin ang team na to.
Since nga ngayon, kaabang-abang ang game na to, I'd like to ask you first, what are your expectations since you are now a resident commentator for this season?
Of course, Kuya Aljan, my expectation is really high. You know, alam ko that these kids or these players will step up on their own and they will make their own name in the industry of volleyball, Kuya Aljan.
Speaking of making their names, we are now 4-3. ACLC is now ahead by 1 point.
Now on the service deck, it's jersey number 1 from the ACLC. Another easy ball, Tres Valles to the open hit. Good cover. But it was called a net violation coming from Pasacao Academy. Tumama yung middle blocker nila na si Hinto, kaya naman puntos ngayon ng ACLC.
That's true, Kelly, but it was a good try for the Pasacao Academy.
Another easy ball. Chris Valles in the middle. Masyadong nalakasan doon ng middle ng Pasacao Academy si Hinto, kaya naman lumabas yung palo niya. Puntos ngayon ng ACLC.
That's true, and looking at that sequence,
Still on the service deck.
yes, Pasacao Academy is having a fast pace.
And it goes straight down to the net. Another unforced error. An early timeout for Pasacao Academy.
It's now 7-3 and we'll be right back for more action only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga kampeon.
And now, this Bucal Season 5 Men and Women's Volleyball live coverage is powered by Converge FiberX, the fastest internet in the Philippines. Apply now at gofiber.ph. And also, One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV would like to thank Naga College Foundation, home of the champions, look into the future.
Wilprint Graphics Center, quality printing, excellent service. You may call them 0918-945-7777.
Congressman Gabi Bordado, Ateneo de Naga University, Liman Midshop, ACLC Naga, Flowers and Beyond, Lemon Residences, Dunkin' Donuts, Gold Law for Real Estate Development and Construction Enterprises, NCF Wings Flight Cabin Crew Training Program, Bangkok's Kinalas, owned and managed by Samuel Salgado, Naga Healthcare Diagnostic Center, and Nagayon Travels and Tours.
So back to the game, Kali. ACLC now is trying to put pressure on the Pasacao Academy.
Now Hinto on the service line. Another good reception there in the middle. Napakalaki ng butas sa side ng Pasacao Academy, kaya naman it's just a very soft touch from the opener of the ACLC. Puntos ngayon for ACLC. On the service deck, jersey number 11. Another good oversteam, regalo, puntos. Once again ng ACLC, Kuya Aljo.
So, pag-usapan naman natin itong ACLC. According to their coach, Jamil, 40% of their players are juniors and 60% are seniors. So, makikita talaga natin may experience ang ACLC in terms of volleyball, and I am expecting na mag-step up dito regardless if they are seniors and juniors, they have to play their game going up against Pasacao Academy.
You know what, Kuya Aljon, what I can see here on these both teams, they're actually all youngsters. There are also juniors in Pasacao Academy, and for the information of everyone po, Pasacao Academy is the sister school of Naga College Foundation. Therefore, if you are confused kung bakit pero walang kuya-kuya ate, walang sister-sister dito sa Bucal dahil magtatagisan sila ng galing.
That's good, Kelly. But for the meantime, a long rally. ACLC tries to open. Good coverage.
Gagawa ng paraan.
Back to open. A soft touch. Point for the Hawks.
Talagang pinapakitaan tayo ngayon ng ACLC Hawks ng napakalakas na palo coming from that opener. Now on the service deck, it's jersey number 6. That's an outside service. Puntos ngayon for Pasacao Academy. Now on the service deck, jersey number 14, Regaspi. Good serve. Sayang. It's actually a 1-2 play, pero hindi tumama talaga, hindi pumasok yung bola sa kabilang court, kaya naman puntos na naman ng Pasacao Academy.
And looking at that sequence, Kelly, it was a sank receive. So technically, nahihirapan talaga ang setter makamanufacture ng magandang set for their spikers.
Now, on the side naman of ACLC, it's jersey number 17, server. Good serve. Another poor reception for Pasacao Academy. Nogot!
And a lucky point, Kelly, with that one block.
Actually, nahuli yung blocker ng ACLC. Kaya naman that, actually, miss-hit nga ni Nogot yung palo na yun, pero puntos pa rin. Another good reception. On the opposite, walang bantay. Yung hulog na yun, coming from the opposite of ACLC. Puntos na naman po ulit ng ACLC. Now on the service deck, it's jersey number 18. Wow, what a serve. Ngayon, Nogot, gagawa ng paraan. Another miss hit. Outside po yung palo ni jersey number 10 from Pasacao Academy. Puntos ulit for ACLC.
Well, now looking at the scoreboard, Pasacao Academy are having a hard time for their rhythm here. There are a lot of errors, but they are trying their best para makadikit dito sa ACLC.
Ngayon, Aljon, puntos naman for Pasacao Academy with that serve. Hahabulin. Gagawa ng paraan. A chance for Pasacao Academy. Pres Valles on the middle. Point for Hinto. It's for Pasacao Academy.
And a single block, Kelly. Talagang makakalusot yan. A single block, no good for Pasacao Academy.
Actually, medyo nahuli pa nga dun si Hinto. But then, it's still a point for him. Good serve. Open. Good cover there. Gagawa ng paraan. Regaspi. Pres Valles. To the open. It's Moico. Now to the open spiker. It's a check ball. Point for ACLC.
It was a good cross court, lumusot sa ball at really challenging the blockers. the open hitters of ACLC is not scared in challenging the blockers.
You know what, Kuya Aljon, what I observe on the team of ACLC, they're actually all tall, no? Kaya naman even their open spikers, but now it goes straight down. Oh, it's still a good one. Point for Pasacao Academy. Medyo nag-alangan doon yung team ng ACLC, kaya naman akala nila puntos na nila. But then again, as long as walang call ang referee, we cannot make a decision on that. It's still a decision of the referee, Aljon.
Now, down 4 ang Pasacao Academy.
Now, the team captain of Pasacao Academy, Rex Valles. Good serve. But it's an outside. Palitan lamang ng puntos yung ACLC and Pasacao Academy ngayon. On the side of ACLC, it's jersey number 1 on the service deck. Short ball. It's a service ace! Wow, what a short ball. Alam mo, Kuya Aljon, minsan lang talaga makita ng player na short ball yung palaging serve. Actually, mostly nakikita ko siya sa Pro League kay Risa Sato. If you really know her, she's really good on that.
And it was a good point. Talagang wala nakabantay sa short ball na yon. And you can really see, Kelly, that the ACLC have their own variation in terms of their service. Now, a good hustle.
Good cover there. Now a chance for Pasacao Academy. Tres Valles in the middle. Puntos po ng ACLC. Go straight down to the net. Hindi po pumasok ng bola sa hit na yon ng middle hitter nila na si Hinto. Now on the service deck, Kano.
Another short serve, but dug up. Pasacao Academy, and that was outside.
They are actually struggling in terms of reception. That is why hindi sila masyadong nakakagawa ng magandang play. Kaya naman, let's see if paano yung adjustment nila dito. Another good serve. No good with that receive. Tres Valles in the middle. Good. Now, a chance. Combination play! But it's a 4-touch. Puntos po ng Pasacao Academy.
A good try.
Good try, actually.
Kelly, combination play, but straight to the net.
Now, it's Hinto. Good receive. To the opposite! To the opposite net. Good dig there by Regaspi. Gagawa ng paraan. Free ball. Ngayon, chance for ACLC. It's a double touch violation for the setter of ACLC.
And medyo nahihirapan dito. Pag mga dikit na sa net ang bola in terms of digging and reception, nahihirapan talaga ang setter na makagawa ng play.
Now, another poor reception. Gagawa ng paraan. It's inside. Napakagandang hulog doon. Actually, it's a miss-hit nga talaga ng ACLC pero nagawan pa din ng paraan.
And you can actually commend their athleticism and volleyball IQ. Talaga bang nakaka-manufacture pa din sila ng points even out of the system yung sets and plays nila.
Now, still on the service line. Service ace for the ACLC. Good serve.
Now, only 4 points for winning the set 1.
Actually, what I also observed here on the part of the ACLC, they are really good in terms of serving. Their serving is actually really strong. But yung serve na yon, it's an outside po. So, puntos ngayon for Pasacao Academy. Now, on the service line, it's jersey number 12, Moiko. Another poor reception. In the middle! Point for ACLC. What a hit coming from jersey number 17.
And you can really see the connection of setter and the middle blocker.
Napakagandang palo ang binigay ng kanilang middle na si Lalang. Now, Tres Valles on the opposite. But it's mga double touch violations na tinawag doon sa setter ng Pasacao Academy. Now still on the service deck. Good serve. Now Regaspi on the opposite. It's an outside hit. You know what? Si Regaspi, she is the only trans sa side ng Pasacao Academy, and according to her, she's very proud and very happy to represent the trans community and the LGBTQIA+ community, Kuya Aljan.
That's Kelly, and that's a good point for Pasacao Academy, using the blockers to get the point. But the ACLC is 1 point away in winning the set 1. And straight to the net, ACLC securing the first set, 25-15. We will be right back for more actions only here at Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga kampiyon.
back here live for more actions. ACLC wins the first set. Wow, Kelly, that was an amazing first set for ACLC.
Actually, it's a good game naman for Pasacao Academy. Though they're struggling talaga in terms of reception. However, lumalaban naman yung mga batang to. And what we saw on the side of ACLC naman, they're actually really good in terms of serving. That is why naipanalo nila yung first set.
And speaking of good game, still, for the Pasacao Academy, may we call our courtside reporter, Rain, for updates on the side of Pasacao Academy.
Thank you, Alden and Kelly. Communicate and apply what you have been doing during your trainings. Remember to smile and be useful once you are inside the hard court. Focus your serves on the right target and wait for the first ball. Yan ang mga paalala ni Coach sa kanyang mga players during the first timeout. Ayon pa sa team ay dapat nilang pag-igyan at huwag magpapadala sa mga error inside the court. Know your positions well and be fast and efficient according to your role. Don't let a mistake stop you from giving out your best. Always find ways in scoring, and once an individual makes a move in the hard court, everyone else should follow. This is just the first set, folks. Abangan natin ulit ang White Tigers and let's see if they will be able to take the next set of this game. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Rain. So alamin mo kung anong posisyon mo, and with that, makaka-manufacture ka ng points. For the meantime, we're having a little long rally here. White Tigers tries the open, and that was good. A soft touch.
Actually, Aljan, it's really a good point naman talaga kapag alam mo yung kung saan ka ang posisyon. You can actually do your position, you can actually do your own game kung ano yung magko-contribute mo sa loob ng team. But now, the team captain, it's jersey number 25. Good rally.
On the side naman sa ACLC, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Zai for more updates.
Kelly and Aljun, we can all agree kung gaano ka-impressive ang performance ng ACLC Hawks as they smoothly glide their way to the second set. Not to mention that it's only their first time pushing through Bucal Volleyball. Talagang napatunayan nila na may ibubuga pa ang kanila, or should I say ang aming school, not just in the basketball portion of Bucal. And can we just talk about how amazing and stable Bustamante's set is? It's amazing how they managed to adjust really quick to each other's movements. We can tell that they built a strong bond during those 8 months of training. Kaya let's all hold our breath as they try to be consistent with their A game. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Maraming salamat, Zai, sa update na yan. And ACLC talaga nagpakita sila ng napaka-strong in terms of attacking as well as yung nga sinabi ko in serving. That is why they pulled it off yung first set talaga.
Now ACLC chance to counter. A tip, no good. A free ball. Now tries again for that soft touch. A good pick up for the White Tigers. Now on the opposite. Puts.
It's an outside.
Yeah, that's outside Kelly.
Now, on the service set, Pasacao Academy, jersey number 9, in. Open, gagawa ng paraan. Good cover there. To the back. Pasacao Academy. Actually, napakagandang intention sana na bigay sa likod ng ACLC. Pero, yun lang, hindi pumasok yung bola. Wala naman ikot ng Pasacao Academy. On the service line. Good reception there. To the opposite. Wow. Ganda na Justin there. What a hit coming from jersey number 11 of ACLC.
And looking at that sequence, really challenging the blockers of the Pasacao Academy because hindi masyadong matataas ang blockers ng Pasacao Academy and madaling ma-convert ang puntos na yon for that opposite attack.
That's the advantage na yung mga kalaban namin nila. Kasi hindi ganun makatarang, but still, this have the skills and I know na ilalaban talaga nila ito hanggang dulo. Now, let's back on the rally. A miscue there. Puntos po for ACLC. Nagkalituhan doon. The opposite gagawa ng paraan. Regalo from jersey number 6.
That was Alando. A good reflexes on that sequence.
Tatawag ngayon ng timeout ang Pasacao Academy. And Kuya and Aljon, as we can see, they only had a third timeout once again ng Pasacao Academy. And what I am really observing now on the side of Pasacao Academy, medyo nahihirapan yung setter and team captain nila si Rex Valles. At kanina nga nakita ko siya, nagsasayin siya ng papasubstitute na talaga siya. But then again, alam ko ilalaban ng mga batang to ang kanyang gawin sa loob ng court.
That's true. And dito naman sa ACLC, they are putting pressure on their service. So that's why the White Tigers are having a hard time for their receiving ends. And also the attacking of ACLC are on fire. And last sequence nga, si Salando nakakuha ng regalo and now serving Malaga, the opposite hitter.
Good. Another miscommunication there. Hindi kinuha ng setter ng libero, kaya naman nag-anticipate na yung open spiker nila to approach for that play. Pero ayun, puntos po ng Pasacao Academy ngayon. Now on the service line, jersey number 12. That ball. Again, it's Moiko. Another short serve. Combination play, but it goes straight down to the net. Puntos po ng Pasacao Academy ngayon.
For Salando, straight to the net. And a good try for their combination play.
Still on the service deck. Another short serve. On the opposite. Sabok ang blocker. Wow. Amazing hit coming from jersey number 6. It's Salando of ACLC. Now she's serving. An easy ball. Tres Valles to Nogot. Good cover. Now, Alayan to Regaspi gagawa ng paraan. What a good rally there. On the back, a block! Puntos for Pasacao Academy. What a block there coming from Nogot.
A great read for the blockers of White Tigers, really marking Malaga, one of the ace player of the ACLC.
Now, Regaspi. Easy ball once again. On the middle. What a play. Alam mo, talagang tinansya talaga ng setter nila na ibigay yun sa tres or sa middle kasi as we can see, our blockers on the side of Pasacao Academy ay hindi talaga natatangkad. So it's an advantage for the ACLC now. Let's back on the play. Another chance, but it's an outside regalo coming from jersey number 1. Puntos po ng Pasacao Academy. Serving. Another easy ball. To the opposite. Another good block. A good cover there. Now, Tres Valles. Gagawa ng paraan. Sayang yung puntos na yan. It's actually a free ball. Pero hindi masyadong natansya doon sa side ng Pasacao Academy. Kaya naman puntos for ACLC.
And now, 8. Not a lot of points for White Tigers. Naghahabol pa rin sila dito. And they are trying to do their best to climb the ladder and para maka-tie or makadikit dito sa ACLC Hawks.
Ibinigay yung puntos ngayon sa Pasacao Academy. I think it's a crossing violation kanina. Gagawa, wow! puntos po ng Pasacao Academy. It's all 10 timeout for the ACLC. You know what, Kuya Aljon? On what really they are struggling now, yung ACLC ngayon, medyo wala silang communication inside the court. Hindi masyadong maayos yung communication nila. That is why hindi masyadong nakaka-convert ng puntos. Kaya nahabol ng Pasacao Academy, they are actually tied. It's 10-all na.
Nandito naman sa side ng White Tigers, they are now finding their rhythm and really communicating with each other so that they can manufacture a point and we can see how they hustle every rally, and we'll see if they can pull it away from the Hawks.
Kanina nga, Aljon, as I am talking to their coach of Pasacao Academy, it's Sir Jero Brozola. Their mantra today is just, whatever happens, happens. So yun talaga. Now, Tres Valles, double touch violation from their team captain. It's Rex Tres Valles. On the side of ACLC, jersey number 2, serving. Messy ball. Tres Valles in the middle, hinto. Sayang yung cover na yun doon.
Makikita mo talaga, Kelly, na bantay sarado ang middle attacker ng White Tigers because we have 3 tall frontliners on the side of the Hawks.
Napakagandang timeout ang tinawag doon kanina ng ACLC. Nakapag-adjust agad sila to convert a point. And another point for ACLC. Now still on the service deck, jersey number 2. An unforced error. Now on the service line, the team captain, Rex Tres Valles. Under good reception. The open spiker. Down the line hit. Coming from jersey number 6. It's Salando. Wow. Actually, natulungan siya doon ng net. That is why puntos ng ACLC ngayon. On the service line, jersey number 1. Another easy ball. Tres Valles in the middle. Hinto. Wow. With the help of the net, once again, puntos for Pasacao Academy.
And humahabol dito ang Pasacao Academy. Only 2 points deficit ang hinahabol nila. And we can see that they are trying na para makadikit dito sa Hawks. And now, Salando was close to the net. A block coming from the ACLC Hawks.
Another for the ACLC. Once again, yung Pasacao Academy White Tigers are struggling in terms of the communication. That is why hindi masyadong nababantayan yung sa loob ng court, nagkakalituhan. Pero, puntos po ngayon ng Pasacao Academy with that service out. Now, Moiko. Another good serve. Combination play, but it's an outside hit.
Now, Salando overcooks that one. It was a great opportunity, but a little too strong for Salando.
On the middle, good save. But still, puntos pa din ng ACLC. Sobrang laki ng butas on the side of Pasacao Academy talaga, and hindi masyadong natansya doon ng kanilang libero. Now, another easy ball. Nogot. Down the line hit. Point for Pasacao Academy.
And I think that's one clean point for the Pasacao Academy. Lumusot sa blockers ang palo na yon.
Ayun naman, serving Legaspi. Another good serve. A chance for Pasacao Academy. Let's see if they can convert a point. Nogot. Another hit coming from Nogot. Wow, talagang na-target na doon yung down the line hit. Sundutan na puntos po ang binigay ni Nogot ngayon sa side ng Pasacao Academy, and it's 16 all.
Wow, now, Nogot looking that sequence. He is really trying to convert a point, but straight to the net for Pasacao Academy.
Another good serve. Valles once again for Nogot. Now, gagawa ng paraan. A good ball. Valles. A chance. To bibigay sa open. Block by Henosala. Wow! Got an amazing block coming from jersey number 27.
And it was a good block, knowing that the White Tigers are not a tall blocking team, but still, they are really trying their best to stop the attacker of the Hawks.
Nabawi yung puntos. It's a service error coming from Henosala. Wow. Sayang yung chance na yon, but still, on the service line. Valles with combination play. Good cover. Now another chance. A double violation from the setter of ACLC. Tie na naman po.
Yes, we are now tied, 18 all, and now serving White Tigers.
Nogot with that serve. To the opposite. Another good save there. Moiko, ihuhulog. As I have said, Aljon, yung butas talaga sa side ng Pasacao Academy, that is why palagi silang napupuntusan dito ng ACLC.
And a change of decision on that attack in the middle of the air was a good point. The volleyball IQ of these teams. Now, that was a violation for Pasacao Academy. 20.
Another double contact violation from the team captain of Pasacao Academy. Now on the service line, jersey number 2. Another poor reception. An underhand. Now, going to the opposite, iuhulog. Puntos para sa ACLC.
That was again Malaga really using his volleyball IQ and swiping it on the side to get the point. And that's why the White Tigers wasn't able to get that ball.
Now, Moiko, a soft touch. To the opposite once again. Alayan, nilaban, ngayon. Let's see! Once again, point for ACLC.
And again, that was Alonso maximizing the hole on that court. Nahihirapan ditong basahin ng White Tigers ang mga atake ng ACLC Hawks because they are showcasing us the variety of their spikes from down the line to cross court to off speed in the back at. We can see that they are somehow experienced team, knowing that this is this first debut in the season of Bucal.
Yun nga, Aljon, yung nakikita natin kaninang napakalaking advantage pa din talaga ng Team ACLC yung height. And nakikita nila kung gaano nag-struggle yung White Tigers in terms of their positioning. That is why talagang nahuhulugan sila dito. It's actually a very, very good save naman from the libero, pero kinukulang talaga. That is why puntos pa din. Let's see if makakapag-adjust agad yung Pasacao Academy dito. Moiko, with a soft ball. Good save. A chance. Another foot. To the back. Negaspe. It's a lifting violation. point for Pasacao Academy. 19-22 po. Ngayon naman, serving the team captain of Pasacao Academy, Rex Tres Valles. The open. Wow! Talagang napakalakas na palo ang binigay doon galing kay jersey number 6 from ACLC. Kaya naman outside yung block na yun ng Pasacao Academy. Puntos for ACLC. Jersey
Zalando
number 1.
really challenging the blockers, the two blockers, but she was able to challenge it and really got the point. In a back-to-back point for ACLC. Now they are match point eyeing to win the second set.
Let's see if they can close this set or the Pasacao Academy can adjust. Now, a chance for the set point in the middle.
And that was a violation. ACLC got the second set 25-19. That was a good advantage for the ACLC coming for the third set. And we'll be right back for more action only here at Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
It's time to dominate! With its built-in high prioritization feature,
Yes.
charge into battle with low latency.
Yes.
And get into the race with low jitter.
Yes.
Apply for a game changer plan now and experience great gaming with FiberX.
We are now back on the action for the third set of Bucal men's and women's volleyball season 5. So Aljon, as what we had observed earlier on that second set, may panalo nga ng ACLC, but now let us hear an update coming from the ACLC. Zai, ano ang update dyan?
Kelly and Aljun, para nga sa second set, the Hawks are doing well naman in terms of teamwork. However, based on their stats, they're having a lot of attack error, which is quite a vital part in terms of the game volleyball. Buti na lang they managed to counter this difficulty by having good reception skills. As we enter the last set, let's all hope for the best and win this fight. Back to the panel.
Maraming salamat, Zai, with an update. Ganun naman talaga, Aljon, dapat. Once you commit an error, kailangan talagang bumawi. And I think na i-pulled out naman doon ng ACLC kaya na ipanalo nila yung first and second set.
That's true, Kelly, but this match is not yet over because we only have last one set for the ACLC at maghahabol pa rin dito ng Pasacao Academy.
Yes, Alja, and now let us hear an update naman on the side of Pasacao Academy. Rain, ano ang update dyan?
Hello, Aljon and Kelly. The White Tigers have been exerting great effort inside the hard court but not enough to catch up to the Hawks. Reminders about their communication and to not focus on their errors. Their goal is to make it difficult for the opponent's first ball with the power of their serves, spikes, or any other attack. It takes a 6-man effort to win or even just to score. Kaya naman they were reminded to always work as a team and more efficient plays and for them to be able to have their momentum. Patuloy natin silang subaybayan only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. That's it for now.
So they have to improve their communication skills and their plays, especially their efficiency in terms of scoring because they were outnumbered by the ACLC Hawks. We'll see if they can extend this match up in another set.
Ngayon, nakita natin yung palo coming from jersey number 6 pero it goes straight down to the net. Kaya naman puntos ng Pasacao Academy ngayon. On the service deck, it's jersey number 9, Hint. Another good serve. To the opposite. Good block. The open. Ang daming nangyari. Lahat almost ng spikers on the side of ACLC nag-approach. But yung palo ay medyo napalakas kaya naman it's an outside hit.
That's true, Kelly. That was a clear outside. Sayang ang puntos na yon. A good set. But I think the spikers of ACLC in this set are having a hard time to convert the set into a point. And that was a poor reception.
Yes. An ace coming from Hinto. Now a substitution, number 2 in and number 13 out. Still on the service line. An easy ball. To the opposite! Good save. Tres Balyas.
At sayang yon. A great coverage for Pasacao Academy, but a violation, an automatic point for the ACLC. They should be avoiding this crucial set.
Medyo nag-struggle talaga ngayon si Tres Valles when it comes to setting. Kanina pa siya actually natawagan ng double contact violation. Kaya tawagin puntos ng ACLC. But that hit is an out. So puntos naman yon ng Pasacao Academy. Lamang na po ng 3 ang Pasacao Academy ngayon. Combination play. Another good save from Alayan. Gagawa ng paraan. But another. Hindi na itawid yung bola. Sayang yung save ni Alayan.
In that sequence, really combination play, that was Salando who hits that ball across court at hindi na naitaas ang bola ng Pasacao White Tigers.
Another unforced error coming from jersey number 4. Now still on the service tag, jersey number 6. Good serve. Hulo. Now, to the back. Good block once again. Resballes to the open. Knockout once again with a down the line hit. Wow.
Okay. Challenging the tall blockers of ACLC Hawks is now clicking on the side of Pasacao Academy. Wow, a great attacker and a great point as they are now trying to pull away in this third set.
That's true, Aljon. Nogon is actually fighting. Talagang nilalabatan niya yung matataas na blockers coming from the ACLC, and now serving jersey number 10. Full reception once again. Ngayon, free ball, a chance. Hindi dumaan talaga sa net. Yung bola, kaya naman puntos coming from ACLC. That's an outside hit. Palitan lamang po ng puntos ngayon.
Now, Kelly, the Pasacao Academy White Tigers are really doing their best and now gaining their momentum. Lamang sila ngayon ng isa and they have to protect this momentum. However, another crucial error. Tayo na tayo ngayon, 8-all.
As you have mentioned, Aljon, they need to be consistent in terms of serving, attacking, or whatsoever. Therefore, they can produce a win. And talagang malamangan yung ACLC. But that sequence naman, it's an out from the setter of ACLC. Now, Nogot. Another easy ball to the opposite, jersey number 2. Good block coming from Regaspi. Wow, a solo block coming from Jared Regaspi, or also known, let's call her Riri. Her name is Riri talaga.
Wow, a good block coming from Riri. Not scared to face the attacker of the ACLC. A combination, but that was straight outside. And a timeout called by the ACLC Hawks.
Siyempre ngayon, bumati naman tayo sa ating mga live viewers. Binabati ko po si Kenneth Bench Bola from Pasacao Academy, and of course si Chin de la Cruz na sumusuporta kay Jared Regaspi, and andyan naman sila Joy Quiñones, Yvette Joy Golpe, Kenneth Pasimio, Marlon Alba at Eman Bustamante. Maraming salamat po sa panonood sa ating live streaming sa Bucal at sa One Media TV 48 Naga at sa Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And now, we are back on after that timeout. Lamang na po ngayon ang Pasacao White Tigers, and let's see if they can pull it off and if they can be consistent on this sequence. Now back to the ball game. Another poor reception. Gagawa ng paraan. Now Tesvalles to Regaspi. Hulog. Another for the open, but it's an outside hit once again coming from ACLC jersey number 2.
Wow, they are now having a hard time to convert a point. ACLC is now naghahabol sila ngayon dito sa ating third set. Substitution, babalik sa loob si Malaga, which was a first 6 of the ACLC Hawks and converted a lot of points on the previous 2 sets.
Actually, first time ng White Tigers na makalamang sa ACLC since first set. Kaya naman bibigay dito kay Regaspi. Gagawa ng paraan. Another good save. Now to the open. Another chance. An underhand set. Hinto. Now. A miscue there. Resvalles to Hinto. Hulog. Another good save. Ngayon naman. Another good block. To the opposite. Save. Good dig there. Regaspi! Wow! What a hit coming from Regaspi! risky.
And squeezing it through the blockers.
Napakalakas ng palo. And ladies and gentlemen, I really know Regasti well. She's actually my teammate. Kaya talagang masabi ko malakas tong batang to. Good hit there. Now on the service line. For ACLC. Good save. Gayon. A chance for ACLC. Combination play! And it goes straight down to the net. Puntos po for Pasacao Academy.
Sayang ang combination play na yon. Chance to stop the bleeding. But now, White Tigers are unstoppable. 14-9. I can say, welcome, White Tigers to Bucal Season 5.
Yes, Aljon. Welcome, Pasacao Academy. Another good save. Wow! Another point coming from jersey number 4. At nakikita ko ngayon yung coach ng Pasacao Academy. He's very happy. He's dancing.
Our volleyball IQ was there. Enough points for White Tigers.
The coach from Pasacao Academy. A 1-2 play. Now, a chance for ACLC. To the opposite. Another good save. But, puntos.
And they stop the bleeding. Now, 10-15. Naghahabol pa sila rito ng 5 points. And to close this set number 3.
What a play. Now, jersey number 17. Another unforced error coming from the ACLC. It's 16-10. Lamang po ang White Tigers ngayon. Now on the service line, jersey number 9, Hinto. Wow!
A good off speed for Salando kasi nakita niya na naka-establish na ang block, but she was able
What a hit
to squeeze
coming.
it.
Nagawa niya ng paraan, Aljon. Now a chance. ACLC with that running attack. Wow!
Back-to-back point for Salando.
Another.
From open to middle attack. Really, the variation of her spikes was on click.
Napakagandang play. But a double contact violation once again ang tinawag dito for Pasacao Academy.
A
At
3-point run for the ACLC Hawks and trying to close the gap here for this set.
paunti-unti pong bumabawi dito ang ACLC. Another miscue there. Puntos for Pasacao Academy. Now on the service line. Another good serve. A combination play.
Salando puts that one in. A great set for her. Talagang tusok ang tira na yon. And the White Tigers wasn't able to put up that ball.
Nagot. Nagawa ng paraan. Puntos for Pasacao Academy. Now on the service line, jersey number 4. A hit coming from jersey number 1. It's Cano.
That was a good quick attack for Cano.
Now on the service line, Another poor reception on the side of Academy. In the middle. Good recovery there. No good. Puntos for Pasacao Academy. Palagi ngang down the line hit ang ginagawa dito ni Nogot. Kaya naman napupuntosan dito ang ACLC. Still on the service deck.
Straight to the net. A crucial for White Tigers. You know what, Kelly? In this situation, you have to contain your momentum because this is where, you know, a lot of errors could happen. The change of momentum could happen. But you have to contain your momentum. And lamang dito, ang White Tigers, kailangan nilang protektahan in order for them to extend this match into fourth set.
Medyo dumadami nga yung unforced errors dito ng ACLC. Kaya naman lumalamang ngayon ang Pasacao Academy timeout for the ACLC. Kaya naman,
Kelly, kanina, ang ACLC meron silang run, 3-point run. However, because of their unforced errors, they are giving a free point to Pasacao White Tigers to really pull away in this third set and outnumbering 21-16. But for ACLC, I'm sure they are trying their best to close this set 3. But now White Tigers is unstoppable. 21 points, a lot of things could happen. But, you know, they have to take this advantage because lamang sila dito, only 4 points away to take this set 3 for White Tigers.
that's true, Aljon. Hindi pa naman tapos ang laban. I believe and I know na lalaban talaga itong ACLC. Kahit na marami talagang unforced errors ang nagagawa nila ngayon. And another unforced error naman ngayon sa side ng Pasacao Academy. Now, on the side of ACLC, jersey number 2, serving. Good serve. A service ace! Coming from jersey number 2, it's Bongson. Wow. It's Cunason rather with that service ace. Another miscue. Puntos na naman for ACLC. Ayun na nga, lumalaban Kuya
A
Aljo.
3-point run, Kelly, in 19-21. And they are trying to grab the momentum from White Tigers.
Humahabol ngayon. Another good serve. A service ace once again for Cunason. Wow. Napakagandang serving ang binibigay dito ngayon sa side ng ACLC.
That's true, Kelly. And if, you know, the pressure situation is going on, you have to put pressure on your serves in order for you to hold the attacking of your opponent. At napatawag na dito ng timeout ang White Tigers.
And with that, Kuya Aljon, syempre, batiin muna natin ang mga lahat ng nanonood sa ating live streaming. We have here, binabati ko po si Kyril Yee, Danica Ramirez, Sidney Bermas, Francis Chavez na sumusuporta sa Pasacao Academy. At syempre, si Leslie Joy Quiñones at Maynard Alberto Castillo. And Kia Villanueva. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat.
Now 21 all. Conasan with that serve.
It's an outside hit coming from Regaspi.
And now ACLC takes over the lead. 3 points away for closing and winning their first ever win in their debut season of Bucal.
Another good serve Now a chance once again for the ACLC. To the opposite, another block coming from Pasacao Academy. Kanina pa pinapagtaan ng Pasacao Academy ng block yung ACLC ngayon. Pero, wow, napakalaking adjustment talaga ang nagawa ng ACLC after that. Sunod-sunod na serve coming from jersey number 2. Ngayon naman, hulog! Puntos po for ACLC. Lamang na ang isa.
In that sequence, Kelly, Salando using her volleyball IQ to convert a point.
She's actually a really smart player. I can see her. Napakaganda ng nilalaro ngayon ng ACLC. A combination play, but an outside hit.
Ng gigel, si Salando. Sa tira na yon.
Dikitan po ang laban. It's 23 all. Now serving on the side of Pasacao Academy, Hinto. Another
Full front line.
a chance. Nagawa ng paraan. Set point for ACLC. Let's see if they can close this game or matatay pa ba, mababawi pa ba ng Pasacao Academy to extend the set. Another good serve. Poor reception once again. Gagawa ng paraan ni Regaspi. And it's a tie. It's 24 all. It's unpredictable, ladies and gentlemen. Mai-extend nga ba ng Pasacao Academy or tatapusin na ng ACLC? Tumutok lang po dito sa ating live action sa One Media TV 48 Naga. Serving. Good serve. To the opposite. Another block. Another save now. Gagawa na paraan. No good! With the kill! Wow!
And look at that sequence. No really powers it through. 25-24. Now serving the White Tigers.
What a thrilling set, Aljon. A set point now for Academy. In the middle. Good save. Now a chance for ACLC.
The volleyball eye of Salando. Tie again, Kelly. 25 all.
Tapos ang laban, Aljon.
Now Salando serving.
A good ball.
That was a 4 touches, Kelly. Called by the referee.
Now back to the set point ang Pasacao Academy White Tigers. On the service line, jersey number 4, Jake Nogot.
Wow! A good kill for Conasan. Open hit.
Napakalakas ng palo doon ang binitawan ng ACLC. Ngayon, serving, it's jersey number 1. Sayang yung chance. It's actually a free ball. Hindi na tansya doon ni Nogot. Kaya naman puntos. A match point for ACLC. Pascalias. Now, a chance once again.
Now Conasan, a soft win. And a first win for the ACL. First debut in Bucal Season 5 Men's Volleyball 26. Congratulations, ACLC Hawks and Oragon. wrap all things up, we will be right back only here at Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Tapos ang klase mo? Hi, sir.
It's time to dominate! With its built-in high prioritization feature,
Yes.
charge into battle with low latency.
Yes.
Get into the race with low jitter.
Yes.
Apply for a game changer plan now and experience great gaming with FiberX.
the third quarter. Like Taylor Swift said, maybe they got a little lost in translation, but they sure aren't asking for too much as they managed to bounce back during the last few minutes of the game. They remained resilient and managed to show ang ugaling Hawks. Now for our best player of the game, which is brought to you by ACLC Naga Senior High School, which is absolutely free. They are located at Barangay San Francisco, Naga City. For inquiries, please just call 0998-973-3221. Now our best player of the game, jersey number 6 with 11 kills, 2 blocks, 13 points, Victor Solando. Halika na dito, Victor. Magandang araw sa iyo, Victor. So, how does it feel being part of the rookie team ng ACLC? How does it feel representing our school here on Bucal Season 5?
Medyo ano po siya, medyo challenging kasi po senior high po kami and also parang kakasimula pa lang ng school namin na makapaglaro po sa dito po sa Bucal. Kaya very challenging po siya pero nakaka-excite po.
So as the best player of the game, ano ba ang dapat namin asahan sa iyo at sa teammates mo para sa susunod na laro ninyo?
Basta lalo pa po namin pag-iigihan, lalo na po yung mga kalaban namin next game po namin is mga datihan na po, mga dating school na nagkukumpit po sa Bucal, kaya mas iigihan pa po namin na pagtitraining.
May gusto ka ba pasalamatan your friends, your special someone, or maybe your teammates, your family?
Thank you very much, Coach, sa pagtitiwala po sa amin. And also, Sir Adrian Litam, salamat po sa pagtitiwala po sa amin na kami po ay bigyan ng chance to represent the ACLC. And also, thank you sa aking team dahil sobrang tiwala nila sa akin. And shout out po kay ate, kay Marie Victoria, and shout out po kay Mami Rocky, shout out po kay Kuya Robic. Yun lang.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Victor. There we have it, everyone. Our best player of the game, Victor Solando. This is Zaminiano reporting here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Congratulations on your first win and first debut of Bucal Season 5 Men's Volleyball. And with that, congratulations, Victor Solando, for our best player of the game with 11 kills, 2 blocks, and 13 points. Congratulations. I'm Aljon Pogoy.
And I am Kelly Francisco, and patuloy lang po tayong tumutok dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.